The light warming your face right now left the sun 8 minutes ago. If the sun vanished this instant, you wouldn't know for 8 full minutes. That warmth on your skin is an old traveler. It crossed 93 million miles of empty space to reach you, and it hit your face at the fastest speed possible. Nothing in the universe moves faster than that sunlight. But here's the stranger part about that light. The energy inside it is far, far older than 8 minutes. It was made in the sun's core tens of thousands of years ago. The core is so dense that light can barely move through it. A single photon bounces around for up to 1 million years. It gets absorbed and released again and again. So the sunlight touching you began its journey before human history. It left the core when mammoths still walked the earth. Think about that next time you feel warm. Now feel your own weight for a second. The sun's gravity is so strong it holds everything in place. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, even distant Neptune all orbit around it. You're being flung around the sun right now. You're traveling about 67,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it because everything moves together. But you circle the entire sun once every single year. That's your real birthday, one full lap around our star. Here's something that changes how you see color. Sunlight looks white or yellow, but it's actually every color at once. Rain splits it apart, and you get a rainbow. Every color you've ever seen came from that white light. Your eyes evolved to work best under this exact star. The green of leaves, the blue of the sky, all sunlight. Speaking of the sky, look up on a clear day. The sky is blue because of the sun's light. Blue light scatters more when it hits our air. At sunset, that blue gets scattered away completely. What's left is the warm orange and red you love. Same sun, different angle, completely different feeling. Now here's a number that's hard to hold in your head. The sun is so big you could fit 1 million Earths inside. Line up Earths across its middle, and you'd need 109 of them. It makes up 99.8% of everything in the solar system. Every planet, moon, and asteroid is just the leftover scraps. You live on one of the tiniest crumbs. And yet the sun is a completely average star. Out in the galaxy, it's nothing special at all. Bigger stars would swallow Earth's whole orbit if they took its place. So our giant sun is actually kind of small. That should make you feel wonderfully tiny. Let's talk about the heat you can never truly imagine. The sun's surface burns at about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but its core is a staggering 27 million degrees. That heat comes from squeezing hydrogen into helium. Every second, the sun turns 600 million tons of hydrogen into energy. It's a controlled explosion that never stops. And it's been going for 4.5 billion years. Here's the beautiful part you can feel today. That fusion creates the exact warmth that grows your food. Sunlight feeds plants, plants feed animals, and both feed you. Every meal you've ever eaten was powered by the sun. Even the energy in your muscles traces back to sunlight. You are, in a very real way, running on starlight. Now here's something happening to your body right now. When sunlight hits your skin, it makes vitamin D. Your body literally builds a nutrient out of light. That vitamin keeps your bones strong and your mood lifted. It's why a sunny day can make you feel better. The sun isn't just outside you, it's working inside you. But be gentle, because that same light carries hidden power. Ultraviolet rays can burn your skin in minutes. The sun that heals you can also harm you. That's why sunscreen matters even on cloudy days. Respect the star that gives you everything. Here's a fact that plays with time itself. The sun's light is why we have day and night. But the sun doesn't move, you do. Earth spins, and you're carried into and out of the light. Every sunset is really you turning away from the sun. Every dawn is you turning back to face it. Your whole sense of time comes from this spin. Now let's think about the sun's own life story. The sun is middle-aged, about halfway through its life. In roughly 5 billion years, it will start to die. It will swell into a red giant and grow enormous. It may expand past Earth's orbit entirely. But don't worry, that's unimaginably far in the future. The sun will outlive everything you'll ever know. Here's something wild about the sun's surface. It's constantly boiling and churning like a pot of soup. Giant loops of plasma arch off its surface. Some of these loops are bigger than dozens of Earths. Occasionally, the sun flings out a huge burst of particles. When those particles hit Earth, they create the northern lights. That glowing green sky is the sun touching our air. So the aurora you dream of seeing is a solar gift. Finally, consider the sound the sun would make. If space could carry sound, the sun would roar. It hums and vibrates like a giant ringing bell. Scientists actually study these vibrations to see inside it. It's like listening to the sun's heartbeat, a quiet, endless rhythm powering your entire world. So tomorrow, when a light touches your face, pause. That warmth crossed millions of miles just for you. It's ancient, it's powerful, and it feeds every living thing. The sun isn't just up there in the sky. It's in your food, your bones, and your very sense of time. You are part of the sun's story every single day. If this made you see the sky differently, subscribe to BetterNight for more.